Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. This is Mrs. Amolika, your English teacher for class 1, and this is your English reader book. Today I will teach you chapter 2nd, the gist of the chapter, Noddy at the farm. You can read this chapter at your home, okay? And this chapter about Noddy. The chapter name is Noddy at the farm, and this chapter about this lesson about Noddy. He goes to Mr. John's farm to meet him. Okay, in the weekend. So this is the gist of the chapter, and please you can read the whole chapter. So after that हम word meaning करेंगे. Okay, I will teach you the word meaning. So the word is this and meaning is this. Word meaning. So first word is weekend. Weekend means Saturday plus Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are called weekend. Okay, scattered. Scattered means spread. बिखेर देना, spread कर देना उस चीज़ को, इसी चीज़ को. यहाँ पर नॉडी को कॉर्न का बोल दिया था, उसने उसको स्प्रेड किया कॉर्न को हेंस के लिए. कूप. वर्ड इज कूप and the meaning is house of cocks plus hens. जिस दरबा जिसमें मुर्गे मुर्गियां रहते हैं. ओके. fetched. fetched, brought. milking time. time to milk the cows. to be fond of. to like someone, something. So this is your words and this is the meaning. Now choose the correct option. This is your exercise. Choose the correct option. It was weekend. So take the correct one. Choose the correct one and write it here in this blank. Fill this blank. Okay, weekend. When you read the chapter, you can know about this chapter. आपको पता चलेगा जब आप ये चैप्टर पूरा पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा यहाँ क्या फिल करना है. ओके. इट वॉज वीकेंड. देयर वॉज अ काउ बिहाइंड हिम. द काउ लाइक द बेल. Okay, now fill in the blanks. You can see here, fill in the blanks. I would like to. यहाँ पर आपको ऑप्शंस दे रखे हैं दो. I would like to feed the animals. नॉडी को एनिमल्स को खाना खिलाने में अच्छा लगता था. He dashed to close the gate. He forgot. वो गेट बंद करना भूल गया था. He was surprised to see the cow in front of his house. He was surprised to see the cow in front of his house. Surprised. वो आश्चर्यचकित रह गया जब उसने काऊ को अपने घर के सामने देखा. ओके. नाउ ट्रू or false. Noddy went to meet Mr. John. Yes, true. Noddy did not give corn the hens. False. उसने चिड़ियों को दाना खिलाया. Noddy did not give corn the hens. इसमें लिखा है नॉडी ने हेंस को खाना नहीं खिलाया, तो ये स्टेटमेंट गलत है. False. The new cow followed Noddy to his home. True. वो काऊ जो थी, नई काऊ जो थी, वो नॉडी के घर, उसने घर का पीछा करा और वो उसके घर पहुंच गई। ओके, ये क्या है? ट्रू है। द न्यू काऊ वांटेड नॉडीज टाई, फॉल्स। उसको नॉडी की टाई नहीं चाहिए थी, उसको बेल चाहिए थी। ओके, द न्यू काऊ वांटेड नॉडीज टाई, फॉल्स। Now answer the following questions. This is your questions and you have to answer the questions. Okay, where did Noddy go? Where did Noddy go? Question number 1. Noddy went to the farmyard. Noddy went to the farmyard. What was behind Noddy? What was behind Noddy? There was a cow behind the Noddy. There was a cow behind the Noddy. Why did Noddy drop one egg? Why did Noddy drop one egg? Noddy got scared and due to fear he dropped one egg. Noddy got scared and due to fear he dropped one egg. नॉडी बहुत डर गया था, इसको देखते हुए वो घबरा गया और उससे एक अंडा छूट गया, गिर गया। ओके, वेयर वॉज द न्यू काउ? वेयर वॉज द न्यू काउ? The cow was behind the Noddy. The cow was behind Noddy. Okay? The cow was behind Noddy. काव कहाँ थी? काव जो थी वो नॉडी के पीछे थी, पीछे खड़ी थी। Why did the cow like Noddy? Why did the cow like Noddy? Cow likes Noddy for the bell hanging at the end of his hat. Cow likes Noddy for the bell hanging at the end of his hat. काऊ को नॉडी क्यों पसंद आया? क्योंकि उसकी कैप, हैट के पीछे एक बेल लगी हुई थी, उसको वो बेल पसंद थी। ओके, you have to read this chapter and then do this exercise and write it in your copy, notebook. Okay, thank you.